Hello everyone, I'm Sadek from EzyCourse. Let me introduce you EzyCourse course platform. So EzyCourse is a platform for course creators using which you can create a course website and apps instantly. We have built this platform for you so that you can focus completely on your course instead of designing, developing, maintaining your course website and apps. So let's go ahead and see how we can create a course from scratch. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a course in our website. So once you sign up, you will be able to see a dashboard like this, and once you are in here, you will be able to go to your all courses page. And you can just go ahead and add a course. In our platform, you have two types of course for now. One is single course and bundle course. A bundle course is combined with multiple courses together, and you can offer some discount there. Let's go ahead and create a single course. Let me quickly fill up the form. So I have filled up the form, and now I can go ahead and create the course. After creating the course, we can see the curriculum page, and we have a create new chapter option. So a course includes chapters, and a chapter includes a lot of lessons. So let's go ahead and create a dummy chapter for now. Chapter description is important because in this description you can include what this chapter will cover. Now our chapter has been created already. Now let's go ahead and create a lesson for the chapter. We have right now 8 types of lessons, and we can create video lesson, text, PPT, PDF, audio, quiz, assignment, and download. Download means you can create a lesson that will be downloadable from the student end. So let's go ahead and create a video lesson. Here we can select a video, and we have a very nice select gallery for the media. We can upload our custom video, or we can include a video from YouTube. We just need to pass the URL from the YouTube video, and we can name however we like. We can also do same for Vimeo. So if we add a custom video, let's see how it looks like. So this is how it looks like, and if you do not want that, we can delete that, and we can just add a YouTube video. In our future updates, we're going to have some kind of APIs using which you can fetch all of your YouTube videos from a channel directly, or a playlist directly from here, instead of copy pasting all things. Now here we have an optional options that is completely optional, include downloadable zip file. So if you include a zip file here, your students will be able to download that. So let me go ahead and create a lesson. The lesson is already created. We have some option at the lesson settings at the right. We have a draft. So if we do not want this lesson to be published yet, we can make it draft. We can make it free preview for the students. So anyone, if this course is public, if they can view this course, they can see this lesson completely for free. We have also another option called prerequisite. In this option, user has to complete this lesson in order to move ahead, and we can make this lesson as downloadable. We have also text lesson. In this lesson, you can create a long rich text with a lot of options. For example, heading, bullet, number, code, and code block as well, bold, italic, underline, and a lot of other stuffs as well. You can include a downloadable file as well, or most of the lessons support this one. You can include a PPT, PDF, audio, and you can also create a quiz. Let me go ahead and show what you can do with our quiz platform, with our quiz actually. So if you go ahead with the quiz settings, we can see you can show answer as soon as it is answered. So for example, you have some questions set up for the students, and if the student answers something, you can select when the student should see the answers of that questions. So if you select this option, then your student will be able to see the answer instantly, or you can select that the student will be able to see the answer at the end of all the quiz. You can have a retakes and zero mean unlimited, set 0 to allow unlimited retakes. So you can have one or as many retakes as possible. You can shuffle your quizzes. You have a nice settings here, which is quiz time. You can set up time for per questions, or you can set up a time for the whole question sets. So let me go ahead and go through the settings of our quiz. You have a basic settings that you have already added from the previous page. You have a landing page. By default we have a default landing page, and the URL is set to this. You can click on it and you can see the course here. So this course is not published yet, so we do not see anything at the moment. And if you do not like to use this default course details page, what you can do is you can choose a custom page. So for example, these are my custom pages, so I can just save this one. Or if I do not like this one, I can just let's see if this page is published. So this page is not published yet, so we cannot see. And if you do not like this page as well, we can just reset it to default one. So you have a complete option however you like to set up your course landing page. So this is super flexible. In our next tutorial or other tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a amazing landing page using our drag and drop page builder. Here another thing is that you can set up your custom after checkout page. So if this is a course, the student will be moving to the course page. In the dashboard, we have a very customized dashboard for the students. So if you do not want them to see the course, maybe let's say perhaps you want to we want a student to land on a custom page, let's say thank you page, so you can select that as well from here. You can have you can create certificates as well, and you can attach a certificate. For example, if you have created your certificate, you can attach that certificate in this course. So I just have one certificate called Untitled for now, so you can just save that and use it. And then we have another option called course accessibility. We can make it public, private, and hidden courses. Private courses are visible in your website, but it is not purchasable. Hidden course on the other hand is not visible but purchasable, and your course status can by default is set to draft. You can make it published. Here we go. We have published our courses with a very limited type of lesson. We just have, let's say, make it a free preview for now, and let's make some more lessons. Here we go. So we have created a few lessons. You can create more chapters as well. So let's go ahead and go to the drip. You can also drip content your course. For example, by default it is immediately available. You can drip your courses based on the enrollment based or specific date, so however you'd like. So you can select a date for different lessons and chapters. You can set a drip for the enrollment base. So you can select after how many days of enrollment a student can access this particular lesson. Okay, and we have a pricing section, which is really important. So you could set up this course as a free one, or you can set up as a one-time. Okay, and you can set up a subscription pricing as well. You can set the interval of your subscription, course subscription, days, week, month, or yearly. Okay, and we have a very nice options here: one-time plan, tiered pricing, and the subscription as well, the tiered pricing. So what is a tiered pricing? Tiered pricing is something really useful for the organizations buying your courses. So let's say a team of group wants to buy your course in DMARC, so you can offer some kind of discount. Let's say your course normally is sold for $100, and if you say, let's say if somebody buys 2 to 5 seats of your courses, you are going to give it for $90. Now let's say if anybody, you can create up to 20 tier. So let's say if anybody buys from 6 to 10 seats, you are going to give it for $85. That makes sense. Actually, it's a win-win situations for the both parties. So instead of people copying, stealing the credentials of other students, you could offer a legal way to use multiple seats from the same purchase, one purchase. So you could say, okay, if anybody buys 11 to unlimited number of seats, you are offering them a $50. So you could set up it like this as well. And you have, this is one time, so people will see this one as an option, and you can actually set up a subscription plan as well for the same kind of way. Okay, so for the subscription plan, people will be able to buy the seat plan that you have set up, but it will be charged with the interval that you have set up here. So we have 4 intervals now, so you could set up how many intervals, and you can also set up the frequency of the interval count. Okay, so we have seen how to set up a course in this course platform. So let's go ahead and then let me make it to a free version for now, and let me go ahead in the website. Let's visit the website and see how does it looks like. If I go to the all products, so let's see which one I have set up now. This one. Okay, 3 lessons. So this is the default course page, and we have set it up like that, and people can just enroll it from here. And since I'm already logged in, I cannot actually buy. If I even go to purchase, it will not allow me to purchase this course. So I can customize the look and feel of this one. This will be covered in another tutorial, how we can cover the designs of these pages and all those content. It is not fixed, you can design however you like. So thank you for watching this tutorial. In the next video, we will cover how to create pages in our system. Thank you for watching.